am the Qaisar, the Little Qaisar. So, which would you do? I have an idea. Let's show my bird. Many know what animal is this. Guys, I have birds called pet birds. They are... Do you know? I'm gonna fall it. These are the baby pigeons. Should I put in my hand this pigeon? This is the pigeon. Let's fly it. 3 and 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna fly the pigeon. These are the baby pigeons. We're gonna have fun in these. Guys, take care of your pets and your water and food and lots of things. So guys, the vlog is ended. Don't forget to share and hit the like and ring the bell, and thank you. Bye.